Today we are here to discuss an interesting topic. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Shivam Kumar Jha and I'm pursuing my BCA from Sangam University. So making a content in front of you guys is not an easy task for me. Literally it took me 3 to 4 reshoots. With all the nervousness and excitement, let's start the video. So there is a catch right now. After I finished my recording on my laptop screen, I found that my audio quality was not that good enough. It contains a lot of background noises. So for now, I'm going to dub this entire video. So stay tuned. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions in MS Excel and we will try at least to do 15 of them. So here we are starting of doing three ways of sum function with formula, without formula, and with a shortcut key. So let's move ahead. So here in this MS Excel sheet, we have product list, all amount of sales, and here we will print all the sum total. Starting with the sum function with formula, we will type equal to sum and then bracket. We will select the entire column cell actually, and then we will print the result. Yeah, so here you can see we have successfully got the result. And for those who could not understand how I drag this entire column, you can basically use a shortcut key, which is shift plus control plus down arrow, and you can select the entire column. You can stretch it to get total for other column as well. You have finally learned how to use sum function with formula, and now we are moving to do this without any formula. Here we are going to learn how to sum function without formula. So if you look closer to the taskbar menu, we'll find a shortcut which is there, an addition option, where you will select the sum and then you just have to select entire columns and it will automatically sum print the result for you. And now this is also done, so let's move ahead to the third method, which is a shortcut key. And I'm going to tell you the shortcut key, which is alt plus equal to, and that will print the result for you automatically. And then just stretch it toward the right side so it will automatically print the result for other columns as well. So here we have another list of MS Excel sheet where we will learn the subtraction formulas. And background में some random kabadi wala has ruined my video. Cameo actually. So please ignore the background noises if you are getting irritated. So the approach is simple. You just have to type value minus value and formula just equal to, then select the column, then minus ka sign convention and the other column, and you will get the result. Then you just drag it towards the downward, again control shift and down arrow key, and you will get the answer. And here we have our third Excel sheet ready for the new formula, which is multiplication formula, and we will learn it soon. So like a previous formula, we just have to do a few changes. We just have to change the sign. There we used a subtraction sign, And now we will use the asterisk why the hell I'm fumbling. Mm. So asterisk sign is almost equivalent to the multiplication sign, and then just drag it down to get multiples of all the following columns. Here we have another new list for the new formula, which is divide formula. We have all the product datas which is necessary for our formula. So here is the unit and the total amount. We will just divide it. So all those things which we have learned previously, formulas are simple. You just have to use columns and that upon wala sign, and it's damn simple. In divide you will get only the coefficient amount, not coefficient, it's quotient actually. For the remainder you have to use mod formula. And now we will move to our next formula, which is percentage formula. Here we have our new Excel sheet where we gonna perform this formula. We have marks of the following student, total marks and the marks obtained, and we will calculate the percentage. So for the percentage formula we have to type equal to cell number and then just again that divide wala sign, and then on a taskbar we have the percentage shortcut. We will just select that and we will automatically get all the percentage. Actually there is one more option. Select the cell, use that divide wala sign and then multiply it with 100, so you will get percentage. And now we will learn about average function and MS Excel. So here I have the sheet, I have all the data of following employees. We will now calculate the average of their. Before that, let us understand what is average. Here I am writing three numbers 3, 4 and 5. So average is the sum of all numbers like 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12, and then we will divide it with 2, sorry 3. So the answer will be, so average is basically mean of all numbers. If you ever had studied about mean median mode, so you will understand what I was trying to convey. So now here we will perform our task. Now we will enter our formula, which is plus ka sign and then average. Pop-up window will come and you just have to select the average. Then we will have to select the columns. Sorry, in this case cell actually. And after you perform these following steps, you will get the average of the data, and then for others you just have to simply drag down it. For now we have done it vertically, now horizontally we can do this again. Here horizontally we are doing this again. Now we will enter the formula equal to average, then select the entire column and it will print the average for us. Then we will stretch it to the right side and yeah, we'll get the average. And now we will move ahead to the our next function, which is count formula. And count formula is used to count the cell in a range which contains only numbers. Formula of the count function is equal to count and the cell range. So here we have some numbers like 300, 400 and 500. In middle of that there is text, true and text, so it won't count that. Text and true won't be counted. See, cell 300, 400, 500, 1 2 3, text वाला skip कर दिया. 400, 500, which is 4 and 5, true वाला skip कर दिया, and this date 6, so it only counted the cell number. And now let's know about our new function, which is length function. It's a damn easy thing for you guys, like the easiest thing on MS Excel. Here we have the data and we will see the length of that data. Like here we have follow written. Damn, इससे बुरा क्या ही हो सकता है, बीच वीडियो में बम पटाके फूट रहे. So here we have written some number and codes. We will just type equals to len, and then we will select our cell, which is again bum pataka. We will select our cell and see the number of text 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will give us the result, which is 6. So again for the others we will just simply drag down. In that follow we have space over there, so it counted the space also, and comma, point, it counts all that thing. And now we are going to learn new function, which is write function, and I hope everything goes right now. No more bum patakas and background noises, please. Yeah, so we have the exact same sheet which we used previously. We have same data, and now we'll use the write function. So I'll type the write function equal to write, then I'll select the cell and the number of letters which I want to show. Like here I only want to show 4 letters, so it showed LLOW, which I don't think it makes sense. And again you have to keep this in mind that spaces, points, commas are also counted, so you have to choose numbers very wisely. It's all depend on your brain mental power. And yeah, for the entire column just use that shortcut key shift plus control plus and drag down arrow, so you'll get the number of all data. And now we will just move to the next function, which is again left function. And the left function is that similar as the right function that we learned previously. It just that it will give print us the left side of the text. So here I'll type equal to left, then select the cell and the number of text that I want to print, and then we will simply drag down this. Like I selected 3 texts, so it gave me FOL. Again, it doesn't make any sense, but yeah, the function works really good. Moving ahead to our new topic, which is mid function. So mid function, it is again similar to the right and left function. Here the is used to print middle name, middle text of the given data. So and the formula is also similar, equal to mid, then cell number, then we have to count what number we want to print. Here a, like 4 times a, I want to avoid that, and then 4 times y from the backside, think that a and y, so we will start ahead from 5 and we will end this from 5 behind as well. So yeah, successfully here our 1 2 3 4 5 is printed. Now we will just drag down and we'll get the other cells mid value as well. So now we are moving ahead to the next function, which is basically the last few function of our video, which is minimum and maximum value function. Yeah, so minimum and maximum value function is used to find the minimum and maximum value in following list. Like here we have the following sheet which have all the data, and we will find the minimum and maximum value by using the function formula. So here I will type the formula, which is equal to max and then the entire cell selection and braces. The maximum value, which is 600, we already knew, is now successfully printed. We will stretch it out towards the right side for other columns as well, and then for minimum value we have formula equal to min, then again cell selection, and yeah, braces close. Again you have to do stretching for other columns and you'll get the minimum value, which you already know. Like here you have 100. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you. I'll never make this content again.